First, prepare installation tray, full glue tempered glass, dust absorber, dry cloth and wet wipes. To start, use wet wipes to clean the screen surface. Then clean the screen with a dry cloth. Absorb screen surface dust with dust absorber. Align the installation tray with the phone. Then peel off tab 1. Slowly lay the tempered glass down. Then align with the installation tray. Take off the installation tray carefully. Use the squeegee to press down the glass, removing the air bubbles as you go. Pay special attention to the curved sides. Make sure no air is trapped. And now we are done with the installation.
Glastimate by Siege. Built for premium.